Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to our video on online surveys. Online surveys have become a popular way to gather feedback and data from a large audience in recent years. Whether you're a business owner, researcher, or just someone who wants to earn some extra cash, online surveys can be a valuable tool. In this video, we'll be discussing what online surveys are, how they work, and how you can make the most out of them. What are online surveys? Online surveys are questionnaires that are completed online by individuals. They are used to gather information on a wide range of topics such as consumer preferences, political opinions, and customer satisfaction. How do online surveys work? Online surveys are usually created and distributed by survey companies or research organizations. Participants are invited to complete the survey via email, social media, or on the survey company's website. Surveys can range from a few questions to lengthy questionnaires, and they typically offer some form of incentive such as cash, gift cards, or reward points. What are the benefits of online surveys? Online surveys offer several benefits over traditional survey methods, such as paper surveys or phone interviews. They are cost-effective, easy to distribute, and allow for data to be collected quickly and efficiently. Online surveys also provide anonymity to respondents, which can encourage more honest and accurate responses. How can you make money with online surveys? Many survey companies offer incentives to participants for completing surveys. These incentives can range from cash to gift cards, reward points, or sweepstakes entries. Some companies even offer referral bonuses for referring friends to join the survey platform. Tips for making the most out of online surveys. To maximize your earnings with online surveys, it's important to sign up for multiple survey platforms to increase your chances of receiving more survey invitations. Be sure to complete your profile in full, as this will help you qualify for more surveys. When taking surveys, be honest and accurate, and avoid multitasking or distractions. Make it a habit to check for new surveys regularly, as surveys can fill up quickly. Watch out for scams. Unfortunately, there are many survey scams out there that claim to offer paid surveys. Always do your research and avoid any platform that asks for payment or personal information upfront. Conclusion: that's it for our video on online surveys. By following these tips and tricks, you can maximize your earnings and make the most out of online survey platforms. Remember to always stay honest, focused, and informed when taking surveys, and to have fun earning extra cash. Thanks for watching.